Yeah, I got more when you someone had you and I get the Babylon.
A metal go ya kahova.
I won't go
To find young guy.
What have been a gamma parents gabba?
You were here. How you
in a China by Belford that you only want to be so but
Well, because I'm there, I'm
was over more.
Well, because I'm there,
10,000 naira.
Well, because I'm
Don't do that, don't do that. What's the problem?
there.
Yeah, good to see you. My name is Moonlight. I'm a barrister,
Oh,
a human rights activist. What's the problem?
Get up. The government is out air for now, favor. Yako Belonga, I have favor, so Jesus is or not with appearance here.
Countries did not do well.
Yeah.
We can't be pray for our country to be like America. And we'll be dumping refuse along the road like this. It doesn't make sense. Now, what do you have to say?
sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. Don't try it next time, yeah?
Okay, sir.
You can go.
Now?
Do you know VDM?
Yes, of course.
I'm his master. I thought of what he's doing today. Whatever he becomes tomorrow, I made him. Okay? You are doing a great job, yeah?
Thank you.
So keep it up.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
Like, guys. If I let me remove you, it's which you be so Belonga and I be keep it up. Yeah, 10,000.
Okay.
It's like it not hear me well. I said I'm a human rights activist. I'm a role model to VDM. Do you want to be in trouble? Yeah? It's a catch all.
On the kitchen, I'm going to show you.
I'm
not on the kitchen. I'm going to jail. Come on, 10,000 naira.
Imagine.
Get out. I go cripple you. No. Come on, give me that.
Give me.
You making
I want to see you. I go cripple this man here.
okay? Bonnie,
Why? If I want more, wow. I'm going to go.
okay? Back it up, eh? Here.
Why are you now?
You making
You know,
each other.
look at my body.
I got to be in a guy.